Then we have here I also bought a wizard arrow. And also they are like with the hell sight. Yep. And it's a 3, I think no, the hell sight is a 460. Then the Dransword has 3 also. So, okay. Also, the Dransword has 4 also. 460 also. Then the rest has all a 360. Yeah. Just the Dransword and the Hellsight has a 460. So here, we have a Wizard Arrow. Yeah, it's very nice also. And the last one is able. Also, even I have the fake one already, which is the fake color, the fake Dranzer S. I bought the Dranzer S in gold also. And it has a sticker. Yeah. And to complete the golden versions, I also ordered. I know it's not gold, but it's little closer to the gold color. I don't know.